Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use masks in Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Videoleap application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page where you will be shown various templates from other users. Now you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the very center to work on a new project or work on your recent projects by tapping on projects alongside it. Now once you have opened up any video that you want to work on, you will be taken into the timeline menu. Now from the timeline editor, in order to use the mask feature, simply tap on the video that you want to work on or within which you want to apply the mask. Then underneath within the settings menu, scroll to the right and you will find the mask feature. Simply tap on it and now you will be able to select from various different kinds of masks that you can use within your video. So go ahead and choose your mask and use your desired setting within the video as you wish. Once you are done with your mask settings and you wish to export your video, you can tap on the export button at the top right corner and then select your export settings, including your frame rate and your resolution, and then tap on the save button to save your video to your galleries. And there you have it. That is how you can use masks in Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.